In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an incident on the web app. Go to your iAuditor account and select Incidents in the menu bar. Click Report an Incident. Now you can click to select a category for this incident. When you select a category, you'll be taken to the Incident Activity screen. In the Activity screen, I can see that I've reported the incident along with the category I chose and a timestamp. And I can see a notification of this incident has automatically been sent to the relevant group. Click here to add notes, and click here to add photos of the incident. There are also some standard questions to help quickly report key information. For example, I'll click What happened and type External door blocked. When I click Save, I can see that information has been added to the activity screen with a timestamp. Next, I'll click What caused it. I'll type my answer and click Save. Now I'll click Add Photo. I can simply drag and drop a photo file from my computer or click to upload. Next, I'll click What needs to be done. I'll type a response and click Save. Along with reporting an incident, it's good practice to ensure all the details are correct. We'll take a look at how to edit the incident details in the next tutorial. For more information or to chat with our team, click here.